Good morning, boys. We are back with our English class for the day. Grammar, topic, adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. Example, beautiful flower, big house. Boys, as you know, we had done about noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. And an adjective describes these noun, place, person, place, animal or thing. For example, words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called as adjectives. For example, the first is a cupcake. The cupcake is sweet, so it describes the cake. Ball. The ball is round. Elephant. An elephant is big and huge. So the word big describes the elephant. Green. Green frog. Frog is a noun. So the word adjective is green. It describes the frog. Hot fire and sad. The girl. The girl is sad. Now, how to identify an adjective? All you have to do is remember these few questions. That is, what kind, which one, how many, how much. Now, let's go through this. Words used to describe quality, color, size, shape and number. For example, an adjective, it tells about the quality of a person. A beautiful woman. Now the question over here, what kind of a woman? Yes, beautiful. So the word what kind helps. So the question what kind helps us to identify the adjective. Fairy. A good fairy. What kind of fairy? So the word good describes the kind of fairy. Yes, a witch. Bad witch. What kind of a person? A bad witch. So the word bad describes the witch. An old man. A short king. So now boys, if you see these words, beautiful, it will describe the woman. Good, fairy, bad, witch, old, man, short, king. So when we frame the question what kind, it helps us to identify the adjective of quality. Adjective that tells about a number. It tells us about the quantity. One leaf. And here what you have to remember is how much or how many. You get the answer, one leaf. Now if you count and let me know how many children are there. Yes, there are three children. So the number 3 tells you how many children are there. So adjective that tells us about a number. Color. It also describes the color. For example, here comes the bear. And what is the color of the bear? Yes, brown. So the brown bear. Carpet, a red carpet. So the word red describes the carpet. The word brown describes the bear. So adjective that tells about a color. Adjective that tells us about taste or flavor. Lime. Oh, you all must have tasted a lime. What is the taste? It's sour lime. So adjective that describes the taste and flavor of a thing. Cake, sweet, yummy, tasty cake. So remember boys, an adjective also describes the taste of a thing. It also tells us about the size. For example, whether it's huge, it's small or big. Yes, a big house. A long bridge. It describes the bridge, it describes the house. So adjective that tells us about size. Now few points to be remembered and kept in mind. Adjectives are usually placed before nouns. They make the nouns more specific. Loving mother, honest person, wide street, sweet honey, the taste, tidy classroom, how it looks, the classroom looks neat and tidy, tall building, the size and the shape. Now, if you open your Bal Bharati books to page number 24. Yes, if you read, they have given their describing word. The first picture given in the textbook is of a mango. And what it states? It says a mango is yellow in color. It is very sweet in taste. So now if you had paid attention to the earlier part, you will come to know that teacher had told you an adjective describes color, taste. So what is the color of a mango? Yellow. And the taste is sweet. Yes. Lovely rose. A rose is red. It is very beautiful. Pencils. Now, how many pencils are there? Adjective also tells you about number. So, these are 4 pencils. Adjective of number. And what? Let's see the next sentence. We use sharp pencils. How are the pencils? They are sharp. We use sharp pencils to write. Here comes a dog. A dog is a clever and loyal animal. Now, which is the describing word over here? Clever and loyal. It's quality. What kind of dog? A clever dog. So, words in bold describe about each item. They are describing words and they are known as adjectives. So a recap for adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Example, that is a beautiful flower. The word flower is a noun and the word Beautiful describes the flower. So beautiful is an adjectives. Thank you.